I'm sorry, guys. I was about ready to pack up and leave, and I decided, you know what? Try the 17 grain at 60 yards. So the group turned out incredible. Just turned out incredible. So this is the Gauntlet 22 cal, shooting Airguns of Idaho slugs. Flat base, hollow point. Okay, check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one flew over here. Okay, but the majority of the group went right here. We're looking at 1 inch at 60 yards, if you don't count the flyer. Now, I know I'm real world and I always count the flyer, so we're looking at a 3-inch group. But again, the majority of the group landed right here, 4 out of 5, okay? 3 of them touching, so I guess next out to 70. But that's impressive for me. 60 yards, 1 inch, 3-inch with the flyer. But again, like I said, logic dictates if, you know, 3 are touching and then 1 right there, the majority of the group dictates what's going on. You know, they say 3 shots is, you know, good enough to discern whether or not a group is good or not, or it's shooting them good. But I like to do 5-shot groups. Imagine if I only did a 4-shot. Yeah, it would have been 1 inch. Wow. Well, I'm impressed, guys. So, again, most important, be safe, have fun, watch your 6. I know I will, yours and mine. I'll see you next time.